So for those of you who have been watching my videos for a while, you're going to see this is a new backdrop, and that's because I am now recording from my studio at Culture, which is the place where I have my studio in Puerto Vallarta. I have moved. That place that I had before with the wonderful backdrop, the big house, I gave it up because I wanted to save money and I wanted to be closer to my studio here in the Zona Romantica. So that's why I have a new backdrop today. Today I'm going to show you parts of a sketching session I did back in April 2025. Yes. These are quick pencil drawings of the male figure using random photos I found online as reference. There are two that are semi-nude and one that is fully nude, just to warn you. I do these sketching sessions pretty often. It's really good practice. And I often will use random photos that I found online and just, put them on my computer so that I can see the screen. And then I draw them and then I just advance to the next one, whatever it is, doesn't matter. I just draw it and I move to the next one. And this is really good discipline and really good practice. And I record it usually. And if the recordings turn out well, then I make a video from it. So how can you benefit from watching this if you're an aspiring artist in the male figure? Well, for one thing, you can notice how I begin each drawing. And that is by putting down the big shapes first. I use certain kind of abstract shapes to represent different parts of the body, and I put those down so that I can see whether I've got the proportions and the gesture, the way the figure is moving correct, and make sure everything is going to fit on the paper. That's the first thing. You want to put down the basic shapes, and you might find different shapes that you want to use to represent the parts of the body, but the main thing is it's very simple, and you just use those shapes to put down everything really quickly. And then once everything is down and it looks like it's going to work, then you can start refining it. But it's very important to put down the big shapes first. These time-lapse videos are pretty speeded up, as you know, but I probably spent between 4 and 8 minutes on each drawing, just so you know. Okay, let's draw. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching these drawings come together and maybe picked up some tips. And if you got a little inspired, great. Sharpen your pencils and go draw.